Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Wanted to ask you guys if you could do me a favor. If you're watching these videos and checking out the channel and you like what you see, if you guys could hit the subscribe button for me, we would really appreciate that. We are working our way to trying to get monetized so that we can build bigger and better cars and more builds and so on and so forth and keep doing this. And that would help us a lot if you guys could do that for us. So that's really all I got for you. Really appreciate all of you. Stay tuned. We've got lots of cool builds coming. Lots of things starting to happen on a lot of different cars. So it won't just be the Thing. It's going to be the Thing, the 40 Ford, the Apache. There's going to be a lot of things happening. So just stay tuned, and I will try my best to get you as many videos as I can, including Don's 1957 Chevy two-door post that we're working on. There's a lot going on over there too. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for everything. We really appreciate you. Have a great night. Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Happy Thursday. We're heading right to the weekend here. So we've had a really good day on both cars. So let me kind of walk you through where we're at and what we're about to do, and I'm going to bring you that while we do it. So right now we're getting ready to drop the 40 Ford onto the ground and take it for its inaugural. Hopefully we make it to the end of the driveway. Let's just be honest. And if that works out, maybe we'll drive around the neighborhood. But we're going to do that here in a second. So Ron's getting ready for that. I have been working, as you can see, it's all torn apart, the Volkswagen Thing. And I have found quite a few issues, but we are at a point now where we have tail lights, deck lid lights, parking lamps, and headlights. What we don't have still, I still have to figure out, is low beam headlights, which I think I figured that out, or most of it, and turn signals. I got to get all that working. And wipers. I got to get the wipers working again, but I'm pretty sure I unplugged them. But that is a huge improvement to just having high beam headlights, no tail lights, no deck lid lights, no parking lights. I mean, it was a shit show. So, and I found several areas and things that were weird, and we'll go over that in a little bit in depth. I'm going to help Ron here in a second, but this is what we got, guys. We got, we're real close here. I'd say I probably got another day of wiring, just messing with some things, and then we'll be pretty close to having everything working the way it's supposed to. This guy, I mean, we're there. So as soon as he gets this thing down, so I'm going to help him right now. Tell you what, guys, I'm going to come back to you, but we'll be right back. Okay, guys, we're back. Ron's taking off the knee pads. We got all four paws on the ground. We're going to see if it goes into gear and actually drives for the first time. This will be interesting. We've had it running, put a lot of fluid in it. It was pretty low. See if it starts. Like a dream. Alright, well, that's a good start. Okay. Feel like we got a gear. You look good. Yeah. Well, it's in drive, ladies and gentlemen. Looks like we have one gear. Okay. Go to the end of the driveway and then put it in reverse. See if that works. Oh, it looks like we got reverse. We've got gears, ladies and gentlemen. We've got gears. I don't see anything leaking. Hey, take it around the block. Just go one street, see what happens. Everything seem okay? All right, here we go, maiden voyage. Nice and easy, Big Ron. Shift. There it went. No. There it went. It shifted. It's good to see it moving under its own power. You never know with these things. We bought this transmission at the Sumter swap meet a couple months ago. And it was supposed to be a freshly rebuilt Turbo 350 out of an El Camino. Guy went to a 700 R4. He just wanted the extra gear, the overdrive, which I get. And but you just really hope that things work out, you know. I hear him. He's gonna pop out right over here. Wait for it. There he is. Oh yeah, it shifts. Definitely shifts. We gotta be careful with these shitty tires. Shift good?
Pretty good. The only thing is that brakes seem fine.
Yeah.
It kind of whines a little in first.
Whine? Like whines out?
Yeah, a little bit.
Definitely has a fucking terrible stumble we gotta figure out. I think my we got the Holly 675 Street Avenger or something like that. I think it's a 650, 670 Street Avenger. And it's got this terrible flat spot. I keep having cars with flat spots. But where is he going? Alright guys, he's backing up to him. I'm gonna see what's going on. I'll bring you back in a little bit. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Let me give you the state of the union on the 44. So, things not to do is to hook the vacuum line from the transmission to that port on a Holly Street Avenger. We ended up teeing it off here just temporarily just to see if it would work off the main vacuum, and it shifts one hell of a lot better. So basically, when it was plugged in here, we had no third gear. Did this, it shifts first, great, like butter, second's good, it goes right into third, no issues. So that's great. We're transmission wise, we're doing good. And it shifts a lot smoother. I don't think it's as hard into gear.
It goes like it's supposed to.
Right. So now our problem is a few things. It's running like crap. So I believe our plugs are fouled out. For starters, I'm going to check that tomorrow. I'm going to pull them, clean them. If I think they're shit, I'll go buy another set of plugs, put them back in. Also, we're going to check timing tomorrow. Make sure we're still in the range, because we were messing around back here. And I mean, I don't know that we could have moved that, but I'm not saying we didn't. So just to verify that timing's correct. And then I think I've got the basic settings right on the carb. What I'm not sure about is the accelerator pump. I think I'm close, but we are missing hard. We got a dead miss in this for sure. But the good news is it's running, driving under its own power. It's not doing that banging shit that it was doing with the 4-speed Saginaw. So that verifies that that was the problem. So that's huge for us. Now it's just a matter of carburetor, fuel, spark plugs, that kind of thing. Fuel and ignition. That's where we're at on this. So, yeah, it is fun to drive. It is a quick ass car. Now something else that's not hooked up is the kickdown cable's not hooked up because we're waiting on the kickdown cable bracket, which will be here tomorrow. So once that gets in, we'll mount that in, and then we'll be able to really see what's going on here. But ran into a couple things. We ran out of gas. Thank God, right there. So went and bought 5 gallons of gas, put in it. That helped a lot. Runs a lot better with fuel in it. But car's not getting hot. Nothing. I mean, it runs great. We're running about 180, 185 on the temp. It's just a matter of dialing this carburetor in. And these Holleys are, you know, for us are a little tough for some reason. We used to have Elderbrox and they were just seemed easier for us, but we're gonna get it. We're gonna learn. Just like we learned on a Volkswagen, we can learn on a Holley. So we're gonna get it right. But that's where we're at on this, guys. I just wanted to keep you updated. I know some of you have been watching and following along what we're doing, but I do have a couple exhaust leaks. I need to re-tighten up the clamps on the exhaust sections we took off. Just do another check on that. Kind of go from there. So tomorrow will be plugs, cleaning the plugs, pulling the plugs and cleaning them. If that works, great. If not, if they look like total crap, we'll just go buy a set of plugs. But plugs. Making sure all our spark plug wires are in and right. Checking the timing with our new timing light. Get that right. Make sure we're dialed in there. And then also fine-tuning this carb and possibly ordering a jet kit for a Holley Street Avenger, where it's got all the different sizes and everything. Possibly doing that and playing with that a little bit if we can't get it just ironed out. We've always had an issue with that on this carburetor. Does mine have that problem? My carburetor's good? Same one?
But when you put it on here, it does the same shit.
It does the same shit?
Like it's too much.
Okay. So that's what we're going to be doing tomorrow on this. Tomorrow, for me, on this guy, I don't know if I went over this with you guys, but long story short, we got work to do on this, and we'll go over that here in a little bit. But that's where we're at on the 40 Ford. Wanted to give you a nice little 40 Ford update. She is back on the road. You know, I don't know that you want to drive it very far right now, but it's running and shifting and doing all the mechanical things that it's supposed to do, which is great. So we should be in the ballpark of doing donuts and you know, burnouts here soon. So we'll get this carburetor dialed in. So see what happens. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching Brown's Rod and Custom. Please like and subscribe to the videos, and me and Ron are going to have a beer and hang out and go from there. Have a good night, guys.